look at the 2015 Veloster. The Veloster's innovative body style and unique design make it unlike any other small car out there. Pair that with the fuel efficiency that pushes the 40 miles per gallon barrier, and you've got one sweet ride, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, panoramic sunroof, Bluetooth, air conditioning. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.